Sensibility and practicality define the 2010 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.